Today we are making crispy pan fried chicken. Let's start with 3 pounds of fresh chicken leg quarters. We're going to cut those up at the joint and make chicken legs and chicken thighs. Go ahead and clean them with vinegar and cold water. Once it's clean, let's season it. First with a 1 pack of Sazón seasoning and 1 teaspoon each of black pepper, sea salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Get it into all of the chicken. Once the chicken is seasoned well, let's get 1 large egg and beat that egg. Beat it well for about 30 seconds. Once that's done, take your beaten egg and pour it over the chicken. Mix that egg mixture into each piece of chicken. Next, we will get 3/4 cups of buttermilk. Yes, pour that buttermilk over the chicken and be sure to take your hand and gently massage that buttermilk into the chicken. We want to make sure that each piece of chicken is coated with buttermilk. Go ahead and cover that bowl and put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 24 hours. Next is our flour mixture. We are going to add 3 cups of all-purpose flour to 1 cup of cornstarch. Mix that flour mixture well and add each piece of chicken into the flour mixture. Coat the chicken well. Now let's get a pan and add 2 to 3 cups of vegetable oil. Wait for your oil to get hot and fry your chicken for 7 to 10 minutes on medium-high heat on both sides until the chicken is golden brown. The chicken will look something like this once it is almost done. Once it's done, remove your chicken from the pan, drain the oil with a paper towel, and enjoy. Leave a comment.